Industrial disasters, whether nuclear plant meltdowns like Fukushima, chemical spills, or factory explosions, are unpredictable and dangerous. These events can contaminate entire regions, threatening air, water, and food supplies. Today, we'll cover how to survive these disasters, what lessons we've learned from Fukushima, and essential tips to prepare. Before we dive deeper, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any vital survival tips from Doomsday Prepper. Understanding industrial disasters. Industrial disasters can happen in many forms, from radiation leaks to toxic gas releases. The effects can spread rapidly, contaminating large areas and impacting your immediate safety. If you live near a nuclear plant, refinery, or chemical facility, having a disaster plan tailored to the specific risks in your region is critical. Lesson 1. Evacuation planning. What Fukushima taught us. The Fukushima disaster highlighted the need for rapid evacuation in nuclear and industrial incidents. Delays can lead to exposure to harmful chemicals or radiation, so preparation is essential. Tips for evacuation. 1. Know your zones. Identify evacuation zones near your location and keep maps handy in case digital tools are unavailable. 2. Prepared go bags. Ensure your go bag includes essentials like iodine tablets for radiation, gas masks, N95 masks, gloves, and waterproof clothing. 3. Multiple routes. Have multiple evacuation routes planned to avoid traffic congestion or blocked roads. Lesson 2. Protecting against radiation and toxic chemicals. After Fukushima, many suffered due to inadequate protection against radiation. Protecting your lungs and skin from contamination is vital in any industrial disaster. Tips for protection. 1. Masks and respirators. Keep N95 masks or gas masks in your survival kit, especially if you're near a nuclear facility. 2. Sheltering indoors. If evacuation isn't possible, shelter indoors by sealing windows, doors, and vents with duct tape and plastic sheeting. 3. Decontamination. Remove contaminated clothing immediately and wash with soap and water. Avoid scrubbing too hard, which can drive contaminants into your skin. Lesson 3. Water and food safety. Post-disaster after the Fukushima meltdown, food and water were tainted with radiation for months. Knowing how to protect and source clean food and water is crucial. Tips for food and water safety. 1. Sealed water supplies. Keep a large supply of sealed water containers. Never drink from open sources after a disaster. 2. Safe food storage. Use pre-stored, sealed foods like canned goods or freeze-dried meals. Avoid fresh foods that may have been exposed to contaminants. 3. Water purification. Use advanced filtration systems that can handle chemical and radiation contamination for any collected water. Lesson 4. Long-term survival. After an industrial disaster, long-term contamination, as seen in Fukushima and Chernobyl, poses ongoing health risks. Your survival plan should include ways to sustain your food, water, and safety over months or years. Long-term tips. 1. Relocation. If your area is heavily contaminated, consider permanent relocation. 2. Radiation detection. Invest in tools like Geiger counters to continuously monitor radiation levels. 3. Sustainable growing. Use greenhouses and filtered rainwater systems for growing safe food and collecting clean water. Surviving industrial disasters like Fukushima requires quick thinking, solid preparation, and long-term planning. By taking steps now, you can protect yourself from radiation, toxic chemicals, and other hazards. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest survival tips from Doomsday Prepper. Stay prepared, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.